Hello, good afternoon. This is Alan Burgos from #WalkWithLan. We will be dealing with the Microsoft Excel Basic for today. For a while. Okay, so I'm sharing my Microsoft Excel workbook here. Okay, now as you can see, I have 3 worksheets already. Example 12, sheet 3, and sheet 2. Okay. All right. Now we will be dealing with the menu system of Microsoft Excel. So if you were using previous versions of Microsoft Excel in the past, you can be able to notice the difference of those versions, and of course this version of Microsoft Excel. Okay, now as what I've mentioned in the last lecture or last demonstration, it is composed of ribbons. Okay, this is the ribbon of this home tab. Okay, insert tab. All right, page layout. Okay, for a while let me change the magnifying so that you can be able to see it. There are 200%. Okay. Page layout, formulas, data, review, view, developer. Okay. The developer tab there is not at default. I just changed that because I needed it in macro programming. Okay, so when you click the home tab, okay, you can be able to see the ribbon consisting of sections, as what I've mentioned, sections, font, alignment, number. Okay, so if you are concerned in changing or modifying the numbers, you could be able to change it accordingly. For example, you want to change the currency. Okay, you can change that one. All right, and many other more. Okay, now let's go to the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is located at the title bar, near title bar, this one. Okay, the purpose of this quick access toolbar is for you just to click it when you need it. No, for example, you want to save it, save the workbook. Okay, you can do that as much as possible. You can undo, redo, etc. You can be able to add some commands here or tools by clicking this one. Okay, this button, right? And you can be able to select different commands there or tools for that matter. No? But if the tools or the commands are not there, you can just go to click more commands. Okay, and after that, after that there is a dialog box. Okay. Wherein you can be able to choose, okay, many tools and commands there. For example, I want to click or select the copy there and just click the add here so that it would transfer from this part to this part. Okay, now click the add button, and then if you are satisfied with it, click OK. Okay, now if you notice after a few milliseconds or seconds, you can be able to see the command there or the tools with the copy, no, and including the Control C, the shortcut key for that matter. All right, now we call this one as a workbook. For example, when you want to open a workbook, you just click File. Okay, click File. All right, and then click New. All right, now you can say, click on this blank workbook. this one, blank workbook, or you can have search for online templates. But for this example, we will be just clicking this blank workbook or selecting this blank workbook. Okay, so if you notice, we went to another workbook because in the this is another workbook consisting of worksheets, no? But by default, you would only have one worksheet here. The default name there is sheet 1. Now, by adding worksheets, this is the workbook. The name of the workbook is book 2, and this is consists of at least one worksheet and at least one or more. Okay, so by adding the worksheet, just click the plus button there. Okay, plus button, right? And then there will be another worksheet, and the name of that is sheet 2. Okay. Right. Now, you can be able to navigate the worksheet or the workbook, etc. by pressing the arrow key, no? The arrow key for that matter, right? The right arrow key, the up arrow key, the down arrow key, and the left arrow key. Or you can combine, no? You can combine control, okay? Control or control. Yeah, there you are. Control right, control left, okay? So meaning to say it will go to the end of that left portion of that row, okay? Now, control up, okay, it will go at the top. Control down, it will go to the last portion or last cell or the last row of this particular worksheet. Okay, if you notice, it's 104,800. No, it's 1 million. Sorry, it's 104. No, 1,000,000. 1,048,576. That is the number of rows that we have. Okay. How about columns? It's until XFD. XFD. That's the last column that we have. XFD. Okay. All right. Now, there you are. Okay. Now, yeah. Or you can, of course, you can navigate using the scroll button on your mouse. Okay. All right. You can do that also. Or you can also combine shift, no? By selecting, no? When you want to select multiple cells, for example, you can use the mouse, no? You can use the mouse, or you can use your shift, control, and the right arrow key, down arrow key, up arrow key, etc. Or you can have control A by selecting all, or you can have also control home. Control home, it will direct you to the first cell that you have. That's the A1. Or you can have control end, right? Sorry. Yeah. Control end, control, or page down, page up. All right. All of those keys that I've mentioned, you can be able to use that one. Okay. Now, you can also right click. Okay. For example, I want to type my name here, Alan Burgos here. Okay. Burgos here. Okay. And what are the available menus, or what are the, this will serve as your mini toolbar when you right click on it. Okay. When you right click on it, there are options there, right? Such as cut, copy, paste, insert, delete, clear contents, filter, sort, etc. And also, if you want to do, to make this, this name or this cell as a hyperlink, you can do that also. Okay. Now, if you want to save it, you just click the save button here. If you will be saving this for the first time, when you click this one, there will be a dialog box that will appear here. No, it will ask you where do you want to save it. No, maybe on your OneDrive. This is the cloud storage of Microsoft, and of course to your local machine or to your local computer. Okay, so for example, on the computer itself, it will direct you to the um, uh, local folders that you have. So for example, if I want to save this on my desktop, okay, right now, sample Excel, sample only, okay, you can save this as, you can save the file as many types as you want to have, okay. Look at this, no? Wonderful. All of these things, including PDF, including CSV, including all these formats you can be able to save. Okay, there you are. Okay, PDF, XPS also, XPS document. This is the portable document file from Microsoft, for Microsoft. Yeah, open document. Okay, so click save, save. Okay, now save. Okay, that is for the first time. Okay, so but if you want to save this, right now, if you want to save this, just click the save button. But if you want to save this with another name, with another file type, if you want to save this with another folder, you can do that by clicking the file. Okay, file, save as. Okay, it will direct you. Okay, so for example, I'll choose the desktop folder here. Okay, and then I would like to type sample one here. Okay, sample one, and then click save. All right, and then it will save this one with another file name for that matter. We have the sample one, and we have the previous one is sample XLSX. XLSX is the extension name of Microsoft Excel, the new generations, okay? But in the past, that is only XLS, okay? XLS, all right? Okay, so if you learned something today, please do like and share this to your friends, classmates, and colleagues. And please do subscribe also on hashtag Walk with LAN. Again, this is Alan Burgos. I just want to say stay safe and God bless. Thank you very much.